painting is literally one of my favourite parts of the home. I think we spent a lot of time in the beginning with our styling team carefully selecting the colours. I was looking at the Dulux colours and I love Milk and Moon.
It's beautiful.
I'm thinking to
Stunning. Love it.
Love it?
Yeah.
Yay. I think we've got like every shade of grey in this house.
You do.
I think we've nailed grey now. And introducing pink and sage green and duck egg blue, and I guess we've experimented. So this is Annabel's bedroom and we wanted to select a really soft muted pink.
I was thinking maybe Mornington Half.
Yeah.
Which I've got in here, which is a gorgeous blush, and I think it would look really nice with this beautiful wallpaper.
Yeah, it's going to go beautifully with that wallpaper.
I think we consulted with the Dulux colour forecast to start with.
Yeah, we
that was
definitely
really
did.
the basis for the inspiration with the colours.
So basically what we've done in here is we've gone through, put a coat of sealer undercoat everywhere on the walls and ceilings.
Yep.
And that just really highlights particularly the imperfections in the plaster.
Great, thanks. It has the ceiling rose in the corners.
It's beautiful, yeah. It really, you know, those period features is
I know, it's
what the house is all about.
I know, it's made a big difference.
Tranquil retreat through here.
We've used this before in the norsuHOME shops, and this colour just seems to work every single time.
Yeah, a lot of the greys can throw off, you know, either a blue or, you know, different
Yeah, or even
tones,
those warmer tones, which is not very Scandi. I think this is perfect.
Perfect, good selection.
Alrighty, so little Harvey's room.
Wow, it's bright and clean and fresh. And
I know,
He's gonna love
this is actually my favourite room. I hope Annabel doesn't hear me say that,
No.
but I think just the natural light. Spanish olive, it's actually in their 2018 Dulux colour forecast.
Absolutely.
And look, how good does the pendant match? This is from HK Living, and yeah, this might get installed today. My little princess's room.
Where do you even begin?
The wallpaper.
It is gorgeous.
From these walls, I have loved this since the day they designed it, paired with Mornington Half.
Test painting quite a large area just to make sure you're completely certain of the colour you're going to get.
Your light's different in every little pocket, so we literally went around the corners of the room and painted. Another tip that I would just say is we put the samples on the walls to begin with and we put them over the original paint colour. It has a bit of yellow in it and it was actually throwing all of the greys. So just a tip, if you're going to test your samples, just get a nice, you know, vivid white and prime your walls first. Think about what you're putting in the room. So for us, it was the constant thought of, okay, what light fittings going in? What carpet's going in? What soft furnishings are going in? So that everything ties together at the end. And I think sometimes people focus on one thing rather than the bigger picture. When people walk into the home, they say it has a good feeling.
It does.
And that is the absolute most important part about the whole house.